my own father. I don't know about you. Is he your father?
Yes.
Good. If he's your father, I want you to join me and sing this song along from the depth of your heart. If truly he is your father. Because I have a father that does not fail and has never failed me. So the song goes thus. I have a father who will never ever fail me. I have a father who will never ever fail me. Jesus is my father. He will never ever fail me. It seems you have other father because you are not happy. You are not dancing. You are not moving. You have another father. It seems you do have another father. If you know you don't have another father, sing this song from the depth of your heart. I have a father who will never ever fail me. I have a father who will never ever fail me. Jesus is my father. He will never ever fail me. One more time. I have a father who will never ever fail me. I have a father who will never ever fail me. Jesus is my father. He will never ever fail. On this note, I wish the smaller fathers happy Father's Day, including my humble self. God bless you all. Thank you very much.